Good morning, students. Today we are going to take a lesson how we can use mental math to add. Someone will tell me what the meaning of mental math. We are saying when you add in your head, you do mental math. So adding in your head, this is the same thing as mental math, which means you don't need paper and pencil. You can add it in your head. So let's see this example. It's saying what? Jack bought 28 guppies and 24 goldfish. How many fish did Jack buy all together? So the idea is I need to add in my head, this is very important, 28 and the 24. So how can I do that in my head? The first strategy that we can do, this is to take care about the tens and to take care about the ones, and we add all together. So the 28 by itself, if I break it down, it's like 20, 2 tens, and 8. And the 24 in my head, if I break it down, it's gonna be 20, which 2 tens, and 4. So I take care about the tens. I have 2 tens here and 2 tens here. That means 20 and 20 means 40. And I will take care about the ones. The ones is 8 and 4, which means 12. I know very well when I add 12 to 40, I can give 1 10 to the 40, so it's going to be 50 and 2. So the answer will be 52. So all of that, it has to be in my head. 28 has 2 tens, 24 has 2 tens, 2 tens and 2 tens, 4 tens, 40. And 8 plus 4 equal 12. I give 10, 1 10 from the 12, it's going to be 50. And after that, the 2. There is another method which is use friendly number. What the meaning use friendly number? I know that if I'm adding 28 and 24, if I can use friendly number, it's better to transfer the 28 to 30. 30, it's easy number, friendly number. And when I add it to 24, it's easy. 2 tens and 3 tens, 5 tens, that means 54 right away. But someone will tell me, you give 2, so you have to remove this 2 after. So it's going to be 52, and I get the same answer from the other method that I used. So you have 2 methods, 2 strategies. Or you add the tens and the ones together, or you use a friendly number. Let's see another example to understand better these 2 strategies. So if the teacher tell me to add, for example, let's say 69 and let's say we can say 13, and I need to do that in my head. So the first method is to get or to break down each number into tens and ones. So the 69 means what? Means the 60 and the 9. And the 13 means what? I break it down into 10 and 3. So I will take care about the tens. Let's say 60 and 10 equals 70. And the 9 and the 3, I know very well, it's 12. I give the 10 of the 12 to 70, so it's gonna be 80 plus the 2. So right away it's gonna be 82 as an answer. Perfect. This is the first one when I add the tens and the ones. What is the other one? We are saying 69 plus 13. Let's search for a friendly number. Actually, the 70 is friendly number. So I switch the 69 to 70. And I add it to 13. It's easy. 70 and 13, 110 with 70, it's gonna be 83. But don't forget, to go from 69 to 70, you added 1. So I have to remove this 1. So it will give me 82. So I have the same answer as the first method. So I have two strategies to use in my head because I don't have paper and pencil. In my head, all I break it down to tens and ones and add all the tens and add all the ones, or I can use a friendly number like 70, but don't forget to go from 69 to 70, you add 1, you have to remove it back. I hope you understood the lesson. Let's practice some example. Thank you for listening.